Welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to solve group anagrams problem from the Leetcode. As you can see here, I have already solved this problem before, but I am solving it again for the practice. I recently started learning Go and I usually solve problems in Go in order to get an understanding of Go data structures. In this problem they will give a array of strings and we have to group them by anagrams. Two strings are anagrams if they have same number of characters and the character count in those strings match with each other. So if you can see some examples, here there is a string bat and no other string has the same amount of characters, in the sense that there is no other string with the same character count as bat. But if you consider this group nat and tan, here you can see in the first string also there is only one n, and the second string there is also only one n, and in the first string there is only one a, and even in the second string there is only one a, and in the first string there is only one t is present, and even in the second string there is only one t is present. So these two strings are anagrams. We have to group them, group the strings which are given to us in by anagrams and return the 2D string. Let's try to solve this problem. One more thing about anagrams is if any two strings are anagrams, then if we sort them alphabetically, then they will become the same string. If you consider this example, ATE and EAT are anagrams, and if we sort EAT alphabetically, it becomes AET. And even if we sort this thing, it becomes AET, and even if we sort this thing, it becomes AET. So we can use sorted string as a key for our hash map, and since the sorted string will give us the unique key, and all the values which are present for that key becomes an anagram group. Let's implement the same solution. Let's say I'm going to call it as anagram group. No, let's call it as anagrams, and let's make it a slice of size 0, and we have to create a map. Key will be string and the values will be array of strings, and initial size will be 0. So after that, what we are going to do is we are going to iterate over let's call it as str. We are going to iterate over a range of strings which are given to us, and we have to sort the string. We should get a sorted string so that we can use it as a key for our hash map. So how can we get sorted string in Go? One way to do it is let's make it as a slice. So slice will be strings dot split str. We are going to split with an empty delimiter so that the whole current string that we are going to consider becomes a slice of characters. And now we can sort it, I guess. We can pass this slice, and now the slice is sorted. We have to convert this back to string. How can we do that? What we can do is sorted string will be equal to, let's join the sorted slice. I hope it works. If it doesn't work, we are going to debug it further. Now we got the key anagram of sorted str will be equal to append of the current string. And after that, once we do this for all the strings, we just have to return anagram groups. Let's anagram groups. Let's create a slice of string and initial size will be 0, and after that we are going to iterate it over all the values in our hash map. So current group and then we are going to append this to our answer. Anagram groups will be equal to append current group, and finally we are going to return anagram groups. I hope this solution makes sense. What we are doing here is whatever the string that we are currently getting, we are going to sort it so that it becomes a key for all the anagrams for that group. And after that, once we update the hash map with anagram groups, then we need values, because values will contain all the anagram groups. Key will be sorted. So after that we are returning these anagram groups. Let's run this solution and check whether it passes initial test cases. Okay, we have join. I think we have to pass another delimiter while joining the slice. Okay, now we have one typo here, anagrams. Let's see if there is any other mistake in our code. Okay, this is passing the initial test cases. Let's submit this solution and check whether it passes all the test cases or not. Yes, as you can see here, this solution is passing all the test cases. If you are interested in learning more about other data structures and algorithm related problems, please check out other videos from my channel. Thanks for watching this video.